Hey gang, Mark Stedman here. I wanted to show you how to use the new President's Summit Confirmation Letter dialog to make your life a little bit easier. Now if you took under event registrations, you've got all of the event registrations for President's Summit 2013 East and West here. We've added a new field here for confirmation sent. Unfortunately they're all set to no because it's a new field. I know most of these have already been sent. So at the end of this, what you should probably do is go through your people, and if you've already sent it, you can run this dialog just for practice, make sure everything's working the way that it should, and that'll update these all to yes. But let's take for a moment a family here that you need to send it to, and you've generated the letter and sent it out. What you're going to do is pick one or the other. You don't have to pick both spouses. The dialog handles that in the background. And you're going to click on Start Dialog, PS Confirmation Letter. Dialog is going to ask you to confirm a couple of things. It's going to confirm that the spouse is this person. There should only be one choice there. And you'll just click Next. You also confirm the event that you're working on. Now, if they had multiple events, they could all be there. But in this case, the Adams family is only coming to, they've only registered for this one. Click Next. And that'll be the last screen. You click Finish. And there's a few things that go on behind the scenes. The first thing is it updates the confirmation to yes. Now you have to reload the list in order for that to show, but there they are. Those are both set to yes now. On the family, it adds a record that you sent that letter under closed activities. So we've got here a letter, sent PS confirmation letter for President's Summit. And it's got the regarding set to the event registration, which is kind of nice. Got all that stuff in there so you don't have to come in and do that separately. And then the other thing it does is it shoots an email off to Eveline, and it also puts that in your closed events, or your closed activities. What that looks like is, looks just like that. Dear Eveline, I sent a PS confirmation letter, sends their address just to make sure you got the right person. And it is currently set to carbon copy me just for testing. It'll come from you, not from me. It'll come from whoever runs the dialog. So again, I know the great majority of these are already done. I'm sure you're all caught up and up to date. So I apologize for making you go through and setting those to yes. You don't have to run the dialogues on these that you've already done. If you want to just go through one at a time and switch them over to yes, that's fine. One other little trick that you could do here, you could choose, for instance, if I knew that I was Jim and I had done all these, I could go through and just select all the ones that are mine. Select these multiple. Go through the list, and I can actually do edit. Now you'll see you can't edit everything, but some of these fields are editable. Confirmation sent happens to be one of those. You click yes here, hit save, and it'll actually update all those in the background. So if you've already told Eveline that you did it and you've already dutifully put in your letter record, you don't need to run the dialog again if you don't want to. But any new ones that you're coming in with, go ahead and run the dialog. I think it'll save you a couple of steps. Thanks. Bye-bye.